This clip's focus is on Rule 264 of the Highway Code. We're focusing on this car here. As it's not overtaking, it should be moving back over to the left. Although the car is overtaking the lorries, it should be doing it from lane 2. As the lane to my left is clear, I'm no longer overtaking, so I'm moving back safely. This car is still in lane 3. I'm catching up to the car ahead, so I'm starting to look for an opportunity to move out. The thing I've got to be wary of is this car currently in lane 4. Once it's far enough ahead, I move over. Once overtaking the red car, I can see a lorry in the distance, although it may not be clear. This is why I opt to stay in the lane 2. This car is still in lane 3, despite still not overtaking me. This encourages other cars to undertake, like this one, which can be extremely dangerous. Watch the overtaking and undertaking car. How could this go wrong? This is one distracted driver, one missed mirror check, one missed blind spot check away from potentially being fatal. Had this car moved over much earlier and been where they should be, this would be a much simpler overtake for both vehicles, reducing the risk massively. Fantastic. Please be aware of your surroundings, make a conscious decision what lane you're going to be in, and if you're not overtaking, move back to the left. What are your thoughts on this situation? Please comment, like and share, and subscribe for any future videos. Thank you.